A confident smile starts with healthy teeth and healthy gums. Introducing Myora GlideEase Floss. Precision floss designed for effortless and effective interdental cleaning. Each box contains 12 packs, and every pack includes 50 floss pieces, making it a convenient and value-packed solution for daily oral care. Each floss is designed with an optimal length, allowing better reach and control while cleaning between teeth. Wax coating and difficult areas. The wax-coated Myora GlideEase Floss glides smoothly into tight spaces around crowns, implants, and restorations without shredding or getting stuck. It is gentle on gums, making it ideal for users with sensitivity or periodontal concerns. Daily use helps remove plaque and trapped food particles, supporting fresh breath and healthier gums. The durable and flexible design ensures comfortable handling and precise control during flossing. Compact and travel-friendly, it fits easily into your daily oral hygiene routine. Using Myora GlideEase, floss is simple and effective. Gently guide the wax-coated floss between the teeth, allowing it to glide smoothly into tight spaces. It cleans effectively around implants and crowns, reaching areas where normal floss cannot. Even around bridges and pontics, it slides easily to remove plaque and debris, then lifts out smoothly without discomfort. This ensures thorough cleaning, better gum health, and a cleaner, fresher mouth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Dentalkart YouTube channel.